Hey guys, my name is Shivam Kejriwal and today I have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 with me once again, and this device right here is running another custom ROM which I have on this device, which is Cyanogen Mod 13 based on Android version 6.0 Marshmallow. So officially we don't have an Android Marshmallow for this device. I forgot to pronounce Android by the way. And yeah, let me take you to the settings and show you that this ROM particularly is the exclusive ROM which supports Android Marshmallow for this device. So going into about phone, and over here as you can see Android version 6.0 Marshmallow, which is a really nice thing, and here's the logo and of course that shitty game that we have over here, but we're not gonna care about it. And basically this ROM is a very nice ROM for daily use because it supports all of the applications that you have, and it doesn't crash, and it is pretty stable I should say, and everything which I have came across right till now actually works on this ROM. So that is very nice. And talking about some basic things, like firstly I would like to show you that the camera works, and that was a big issue with the Redmi Note 4G back when I had that device, but in this ROM on this device is definitely a very nice thing, and the camera works pretty seamlessly. And as you can see, the video mode is on and the videos are working, and of course that's my wallet and that's a bag, but you don't have to care about it by the way. And going to the camera mode, you can see over here we have the camera mode, and that is you guys over there, but of course you don't have to care about it. But again, as you can see, it is pretty basic of a UI, but the main thing what I want to convey is that the camera actually works, and that is again a very nice thing. The official camera application doesn't support 4K video resolution, but via third-party applications like this Cinema FB5 application that I have over here, you can pretty much record videos in 4K too, which is again a very nice thing, and that is pretty enjoyable by me at least. So yeah, that is again very nice. And talking about some features of this ROM, you can again go into this settings thing over here of course, and over here if you go to status bar options, over here you have many options like clock style. You can configure the clock style, for example if you want to have it on the right, center, left, whatever. And notification count, I don't know what it does, but supposedly it tells you the number of notifications which are pending, and that's again a really nice thing. Quick pull down is what you have on this device, like if you of course if you swipe from the stop like with one finger, you firstly have to go to the notification, and then if you again swipe is when you are taken to all these modes. But with this quick pull down on, you can just swipe from the right side of this device, and it in one one pull down it just takes you to the modes, and that is again a very nice thing. And talking about the modes, you can edit these two, which is again a very nice thing. And over here as you can see edit tiles, and over here you can just tap and hold and drag it anywhere, and it basically customizes according to what you need and what are your priorities. So I again like it very much. And we have some basic Marshmallow functionalities over here too, like the battery mode, which can be turned into power saving or performance, or the balance mode which I am having right now. But the power saving mode is again a very nice feature, a very nice mode I should say, because it turns on all the vibrations and all, and it just gives this status bar a red look so that you know that the phone is in power saving mode, and that is why you're not getting that good of a performance. So that is again a very nice thing, and you can just turn off by just a tap over here, again going to the balanced mode, and that is again a very nice thing. And talking about battery life, it is again phenomenal on this device. Screen on time, as you can see, 7 hours and 15 minutes already, and I have 30 minutes, not 30 minutes, 30% of juice left on this device, which is again a very incredible thing to have on this device. And yeah, I'm very happy about it too. So basically this ROM has all of the things running, and again one very interesting feature on this ROM is that the fingerprint scanner work. As you can see, I just turned this device off, and if I just keep my finger on it, as you can see the device just turned on. So fingerprint scanner works too, and it is quite fast and faster than what we had on MIUI 8. RAM management is again better, and one other very good gesture which we have on this ROM, which I just cannot let you guys not know about, is that if you double tap this power button, you can just go into the camera application directly. Yeah, I would like to wrap up with that with this video, and as I already told, this ROM is really a very nice one, and I would definitely recommend this ROM to be tried by you guys. And yeah, that is basically it. So the link is in the description, just click on it and you would be redirected. You would of course have to have a custom recovery. Unlocked bootloader of course is required, but a rooted device is not what this ROM prioritizes. So you need to have an unlocked bootloader and the TWRP recovery. The links for the TWRP recovery and the ROM itself would be in the description. Just go ahead and take a look at it, and if you know the whole procedure, I would definitely tell you guys that this is much better than MIUI any day, anytime, and you can just go into this device's ROM and just install it on this device if you want. So yeah, that is basically it for what I have for this device. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.